Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL F650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily manage your equalizer and change your preset. As you can see, here we have EQ at the bottom of our application. We have to tap on it and now we can see plus, jazz, vocal, bass and our custom one. If you want to set some different equalizer preset, we have to just tap on, for example, jazz, vocal or bass, or our custom one of course. If you want to rename some preset, we have to just tap on it. Here we can rename and modify. I'll go back, I don't want to edit my equalizer preset. And if you want to disable or enable equalizer, we have to just tap on this switch. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.